Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to insert links in Google Sheets. So there's a few ways that you can actually insert a link. You can go up to the insert, go all the way down to link and click that. You could also use Control K. You can also right click in the cell and go down to insert link. And you also have the option for inserting a link right up here at the top. And so we're going to go in, we're going to click insert link. Now, this is where you're either going to search for your link online or you're going to paste your link. I'm going to paste a link, and the text is going to be, if we don't enter in any text, it'll just show what the web address is. So I want to put in Etsy shop to have as my placeholder text basically. And then that will go there and it will be a clickable link that will take us to where we need to go. Um, and then we have the option right here if we want to copy the link, we want to edit the link, if we want to remove the link. And so that is how you insert links in your Google Sheets. If you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find those to be helpful too. Thank you. Bye.